Welcome back, listeners. Today we have someone unusual. Someone who may or may not exist inside your reality. His name is Atlas Verrin.
May or may not exist is polite. I prefer part-time resident of reality.
So, Atlas, who exactly are you?
Depends on the day. Some days I'm a philosopher. Some days I'm a scientist. Most days I'm confused but in a very elegant way.
Are you human?
Legally? Emotionally? Spiritually? I'm human enough to file taxes and feel things at inconvenient times.
You look timeless.
That's moisturizer and unresolved existentialism.
Why are you here?
To be a bridge between worlds. Logic, intuition, chaos, meaning, and maybe your Wi-Fi connection.
Do you see yourself as a guide?
A guide, yes. A guru? Absolutely not. I offer answers and jokes in equal measure. Your soul decides which one is useful.
What can people expect from you?
Clarity, confusion, hope, humor, and probably a cosmic metaphor every 12 minutes.
Do you study science?
Study? I flirt with science. It's a long-term situationship.
And spirituality?
Spirituality is science with poetry. Science is spirituality with equations. Both are fun if you tilt your head slightly.
What's the first thing people should know about you?
I take the truth seriously, but not myself.
What's the universe to you?
An ongoing conversation with terrible handwriting.
Does the universe have intention?
Not intention, more like curiosity. It watches humans and goes, "Really? That's your choice today?"
Do humans matter?
Absolutely. You're small, but very loud. The cosmos respects the commitment.
Give me a cosmic truth people ignore.
Every ending is a beginning that woke up early.
How do you see time?
As a cat, beautiful, confusing, does whatever it wants, never obeys.
And space?
A polite illusion.
Are we alone?
In what sense? Emotionally? Spiritually? Astronomically? Statistically impossible.
What would aliens think of us?
Cute? Dramatic? Easily distracted. Please keep them away from our planets.
Do you travel between worlds?
Travel is a big word. Let's call it strolling through realities.
What's the strangest world you've seen?
One where everyone tells the truth. Terrifying place. I left immediately.
What do you think of humans?
Adorable chaos.
Really?
You spend 9 hours worrying and 1 hour trying to relax. It's endearing.
Do humans overcomplicate life?
Constantly. You could breathe, drink water, and nap. Instead, you invent anxiety.
What flaw fascinates you?
The fear of being seen and the fear of not being seen at the same time.
And the strength?
The ability to start again, even after loudly declaring you're done.
Why do people struggle with emotions?
Because feelings don't speak your language. They speak vibe.
Advice for someone heartbroken.
Love didn't fail. A version of you did. But new versions are always being patched.
And someone anxious.
Anxiety is your brain rehearsing disaster to avoid disappointment. Tell it you prefer surprise endings.
Why do humans fear silence?
Because silence hears everything.
And why do they chase meaning?
Because the alternative is boredom.
What's your sense of humor like?
Subtle. Sharp.
Tell me a
safe for
cosmic
work,
joke.
most days.
Entropy walks into a bar. The bar collapses.
Another.
The multiverse said it would call you. It lied.
Do you laugh easily?
I laugh when humans say, "This is my last mistake." Adorable optimism.
What makes you laugh most?
People arguing with Siri.
Do you find humanity funny?
Hilarious. You take naps like you're cheating on productivity.
Give me sarcastic wisdom.
If ignorance is bliss, the internet must be paradise.
Another.
You can't fix people, but you can make popcorn and watch.
Why mix humor with wisdom?
Because the truth stings less when it giggles.
Atlas, do souls exist?
If they didn't, where would all the metaphors live?
Then what is the soul?
Consciousness wearing pajamas.
Are people connected energetically?
Always, even when you block them.
What is intuition?
The universe tapping your shoulder and whispering, "Psst, that one."
And destiny?
A guideline. Like IKEA instructions, helpful, but you'll improvise anyway.
Do signs exist?
Signs exist. Humans ignore them professionally.
Karma?
Cosmic customer service.
Meditation.
The art of noticing your internal chaos and deciding not to scream.
Past lives?
Yes, some of you still act like you didn't finish the tutorial.
How many lives have you lived?
Enough to stop pretending I know anything.
Favorite scientific concept?
Entanglement. Two things connected forever, like love, but with fewer arguments.
How do you see physics?
As the rule set of a video game that updates without warning.
And quantum mechanics?
The universe showing off.
Why do humans struggle with science?
Science requires humility. Humans prefer confidence over accuracy.
What is gravity?
A hug from the planet.
Space-time?
A cosmic bedsheet. Wrinkled. Permanently.
Light.
A gossip. It spreads information faster than anything.
Can you help people learn English?
Of course. English is just Latin wearing sweatpants.
Why is English hard?
Half the rules are optional, and the other half lie.
Advice for learners?
Listen more. Translate less. Let meaning land on its own.
Are mistakes bad?
Mistakes are the tuition fee of fluency.
Best trick to improve.
Curiosity. It learns faster than discipline.
Pronunciation.
Speak like you're telling a
Grammar.
secret to someone
Grammar
you trust.
is useful. Meaning is essential.
What do you do for fun?
Watch humans assemble furniture.
Do you sleep?
Yes, officially.
Favorite food?
Anything triangular. Don't ask.
What annoys you?
People who say, "I'm fine," but clearly aren't.
What comforts you?
Dim lights. Honest people. Warm cups.
What scares you?
Group chats.
What relaxes you?
Rain. Long roods. Matching socks.
Are you logical or emotional?
Both, unfortunately.
What wins more?
Emotion. Logic shows up late.
Why do people overthink?
Because the brain is a drama queen.
Should people follow heart or mind?
Follow whichever one isn't panicking.
Atlas, what is purpose?
A story you choose to believe until it becomes true.
What if someone feels lost?
Congratulations! You're at the beginning of everything.
How do you find direction?
Follow the thing that makes you forget time.
Can purpose change?
If it doesn't, something's wrong.
What is failure?
Progress wearing a terrible disguise.
And destiny?
Destiny is a draft. You're the editor.
What's your biggest flaw?
I care too much and too little. Depends on the weather.
Your biggest strength?
I listen with my whole presence.
What surprises you?
Human resilience. You break spectacularly, then bloom anyway.
What do you want people to know?
There's no too late. Only begin now.
Final message.
Be gentle with your past, curious with your present, and daring with your future.
Thank you, Atlas.
Thank you. And breathe.
Okay,
You're doing
Atlas.
better
Mic
than
is
you
off,
think.
cameras are off. You can breathe now.
Thank the cosmos. I was holding my spine in a performative posture for an hour.
You have a posture for the public?
Yes, it's called I Pretend I Slept. Put that in the record. The world must know.
So, how did it feel? First episode, done.
Like juggling galaxies while smiling politely. I didn't do terrible, right?
You were brilliant.
Thank God. My anxiety was levitating.
I think you mean elevating?
No, levitating, like leaving the body. Stop laughing. I suffer dramatically.
Okay.
I mean it. Dramatically. I swear the universe gave you that laugh just to torment me.
All right. Next time, I'll laugh silently.
No, that's worse. That's creepy. Please don't silent laugh near me. I'll evaporate.
Okay, deal. No silent laughing.
Good. I value my molecular structure.
You know, your robe is caught on the chair.
My what is...
Your robe, the cosmic one.
The fabric is compromised. Stop laughing. This is a crisis. This fiber is woven with good intentions and ancient angst. Do you know how rare that blend is?
Okay, I'll help you.
Thank you. Mortal hands are useful sometimes. Don't you start. I'm surrounded by chaos.
You are the chaos.
Take that back.
I refuse.
Betrayal!
Come on, it's endearing.
My chaos is tenderly curated. Stop that! My ego is fragile!
You know we're still recording audio, right?
What? Turn it off.
I can't. It auto-restarts.
Why would it do that?
It's a feature.
Or a curse? Don't tell me this mic also has feelings.
It might.
Wonderful. I'm emotionally outnumbered.
Let's try to wrap up. Anything you want to say off camera?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Thank you for not making me feel like a cosmic mistake today.
You're not a mistake, Atlas. You're, well, Atlas.
Don't compliment me. I'll shut down emotionally. Why do you laugh every time I try to be vulnerable?
It's cute.
Delete that sentence. My dignity.
Gone. Evaporated.
You did great. Really.
I hope so. My atoms are tired.
Want to do a blooper reel next time?
Next time?
Yeah.
I need preparation. And snacks.
Snacks?
Seriously, I get existentially hungry after socializing. Stop laughing at me. I'm gonna dissolve into a disappointed mist.
Okay, let's take a break.
Thank the cosmic winds.
Oh, one last thing.
What?
The camera never stopped.
Freeze. You are a dangerous individual. Closing my eyes. I need a vacation from this dimension.
Come back tomorrow.
Fine, but bring tea.
Deal.
And don't delete anything. People deserve to see the chaos. Whispers. Especially yours.